With me is Mr. Dibya. He has been honored by the Indian government with Padma Shri. He's here in India and received the award by the Indian president. So, welcome to Beyond. My first question, novice question. You have been honored by the Indian government. How do you feel?
I can say this is a very special award for me because it's out of my expectation. And in my work, I work a lot with Ramayana and Mahabharata. And of course, I didn't expect this kind of recognition will be given by the Indian government. That is why I become speechless sometimes.
So you're from Bali, and Bali has a history and a cultural link with the larger Indian subcontinent, especially the Hindu link between India and Bali. If you can talk about how you have, in a sense, made sure that people know about Mahabharata and Ramayana, of course in Indonesia, but across the world as well.
Yeah. Well, if we look at the historical facts, that Indian culture has influenced Bali since the 5th century, maybe even earlier. In that kind of interactions, literature, Ramayana and Mahabharata become both works that inspired a lot in Bali. And nowadays there are at least 9 different art forms in Bali utilizing Ramayana and Mahabharata story. So that means the people of Bali are very familiar of Mahabharata and Ramayana, as well as the people of Java. So Java, Bali are the area where Ramayana and Mahabharata became very important dramatic resources. And for me, that's the kind of literature that I utilize since my first time touching performing arts in Bali. As for your information, I've been a Hanuman dancer. For the first time I performed here in 1969. Yeah, and ever since I focus my work only on these 2 literature. And in working on that, of course, I utilize the elements of Ramayana and Mahabharata based on the context of the Balinese. Yeah, and the other forms that I utilize a lot Ramayana is the Kecak, the monkey dance. So in these 3 forms, Ramayana, Sendratari, Ramayana, Kecak Ramayana, I utilize a lot of that story. Yeah.
Since you're an artist, I mean, this is something that must have inspired you. What was the initial moment that inspired you to do this work in this territory in terms of Mahabharata and Ramayana? There must be some moment in time, if you can talk about that.
Yes. Well, to the Balinese, Ramayana and Mahabharata is not only literature. This is itihasa, the story of gods. Because within the story, there are parts of the story that representing the journey of our gods, or at least there are also philosophical way of life that the Balinese can take it from the story. So that is why this Ramayana and Mahabharata become very important story, since they can learn a lot of religious teaching, way of life, role of karma, and many other things. So it's not only about the story itself, but the message of the story conveyed to the audience, making Ramayana and Mahabharata become very important story for us in Bali.
So my last question to you is, by conferring this award, how do you think that the people-to-people relationship, which you have become a symbol when it comes to Indonesia and India, will strengthen further?
Yeah, of course, this, first of all, this is going to be a strong motivation for me to have more kind of opportunity, or to create more opportunity to work with Indian artists in the future. In my past activities, I've been collaborating with many Indian artists, both at home in Bali, maupun in America when I was there. Just recently, in 2016, I worked with an Indian dancers, but already become a Canadians living in Toronto. So we work on the section of Mahabharata entitled Pralaya. This is about Pandawa and Kaurava playing dice. The message that we convey, that if you don't want to experience Pralaya, which is the complete destruction, so don't gamble your identity, your honesty, your nationality and many other things. So that's will give me a strong motivation to create more kind of space for me to work, combining elements of Indian and Balinese culture. Because at home in Bali, I have my own theater. It's a small theater, experimental in nature. So would like to use that to have this kind of workshop or collaboration between Bali and India. Because I know and I strongly believe that these two cultures can be put together as long as we know how we combine them.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for speaking to WION, and ideas you popularize are ideas for every time and for every country. But we will hopefully see you again in India. Now it looks like you will be a visitor almost every year. Thank you so much for speaking to WION.
Thank you. I thanks to the governments of India for recognizing my work and for giving me this special award. I will treasure for the rest of my life.